Hello, my name is Nina Rishon, and I am a lion. Welcome to St. Leo-Seton Catholic School.
Hi, I'm Jack Rochon. I'm a lion and greatness starts here.
I'm Aiden Hargrave. Before we start our virtual tour, let us begin with a prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
I am Jordy Restweber. I am a lion. Today I will introduce you to our leadership team. Principal, Miss Kimberly Gotro. Assistant Principal, Miss Heather Stimmons. Religion Director, Miss Stephanie Leger. Curriculum Coordinator, Miss Annette Mercantile. Development Director, Mr. Amos Batiste. Our leadership team will be available after our virtual tour to answer all of your questions.
Hi, my name is Addison Morkinsell and I am a lion. Our development director, Mr. Amos Batiste, will begin our virtual tour here in the cafeteria.
This year's a little bit different because of the COVID-19 restrictions. So our lunch is box lunch. Our cafeteria ladies do a great job of working and trying to get everything prepared to be ready to go out at 10 o'clock. All of the students have to pick up a lunch. If they have allergies or anything that would cause them to not eat a certain food type, they would need an excuse from the doctor. They would provide that doctor's excuse to the cafeteria manager, and then the manager would take care of their meals. So down this way, we're gonna start with pre-K. We have 2 sections of each grade level. In pre-K, we have 3 sections. So pre-K has 18 kids per class. And then once those kids go into kindergarten, it'll become 27 kids per class. And then as the grades, they turn the corner from 2nd through 8th grade, we can have as many as 30 kids per class. So the first class that we're gonna see today is Miss Emily Abear's pre-K class. They're called the Little Sweets. Each grade level of pre-K and kindergarten has a theme. And so we're gonna meet some members of the Little Sweets.
Hi, my name is Morgan Citron. I am a lion and welcome to pre-K.
Thank you, Morgan. So right here, we're entering pre-K. So as you can see, with all of the social distancing, we have dots on the floor so our kids can stay 6 feet apart. Right, Jacques? There you go. Jacques doing a great job right there. And this is Miss Angie Schaub's 1st grade class. And they are on their way to restroom break. And then recess. So, thank you, Ms. Schaub. All right now we're going to visit a kindergarten class.
Hi, I'm Ariella Guthrie, and I am a lion. Welcome to kindergarten.
Right now, this is Miss Casey Terrio's class. It's kindergarten, and they are at recess right now. Are they, Miss Casey?
Well, when they come in, we're about to carve a pumpkin, and we're going to be writing how-to stories. We do a lot of writing and reading and math every day, and we just feel the love of Jesus each day. That's what we're here for.
And we're going to visit this 1st grade class today, and I have another Lion ambassador.
I am a lion. Welcome to 1st grade.
We're working on learning how to label pictures so where we can give more information about an illustration or photograph in a story.
Thank you so very much. This next hall is 2nd grade through 5th grade.
Hi, I'm Ava Grace Rodriguez, and I am a lion. Welcome to 2nd grade.
Thank you, Ava.
Readers ready? Ready! Read! What does she have? Okay, so we know. We're not saying no many.
One really cool thing about St. Leo-Seton Catholic School is we have our own TV station. It's KSLS. This is our green wall here. Our kids get to audition to be anchors. We have our teleprompter and our camera right here as well. In this room in our tech center, Miss Angela Lee, our tech coordinator, teaches our kids everything about Google. And so they get in here and they work on slideshows, they understand all of Google Meets, Google Docs, Shared Docs. So this is where they learn all of that information. And the cool thing about our technology is that all of our students from 2nd grade to 8th grade are one-to-one with Chromebooks. So we're fortunate to have a chapel here at the school, and our chapel is a very special place. Right now, currently, we are holding virtual Mass. So we have Mass every Tuesday, and It's an opportunity for our priests to come on campus and visit with our students. And then we'll separate the kids so they're all over the campus watching Mass, and we also invite our families and grandparents to visit us as well. We'll meet another one of our line ambassadors today.
Hi, my name is Riley Benway. I am 11. Quiet, please, as we enter our chapel.
The really cool thing about working at a place like St. Leo-Seton Catholic School or sending your child to a place like St. Leo-Seton Catholic School is because we put God first. All of the education here is Christ-centered, and it's important that we understand that. So the families that come here need to understand that God comes first. So this place is a special place. The Tabernacle is a special place, and we are honored that we have this beautiful chapel here on our campus where our kids can come in and celebrate and sing and enjoy Mass. So what you're gonna see now is 4th grade. So the difference here in 5th grade is our students, they have both 5th grade teachers. So this is where they start to switch classes now. So when they get to junior high, they'll have 7 or 8 different teachers. In 5th grade, they'll have 2 different teachers here. All right, so we're gonna meet another line ambassador.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Martin. I am a Lion. Welcome to 5th grade.
Thank you, Alyssa. So one of the cool things about this school as well is our students get an opportunity to select from many different electives. One of the coolest electives I like, and we do a great job, is our art program. We have our very own art studio. We have 2 amazing art teachers. Jenny Andrews, who's our full-time art teacher. She teaches pre-K to 5th grade. And then we have Marie Hebert, who teaches the junior high students. She's also a part-time counselor. And Marie, it's really cool because junior high is gender-based when it comes to electives. So it's really cool that when Marie gets them, she gets to talk to the boys about boy things and the girls about girl things. So it really works out.
Hi, my name is Adriana Roche. I am a Lion. Welcome to the Art Lab at Creative Minds Report.
Hi, I'm Jenny Andrews, and we have a full art program here. I teach grades pre-K through 5th, and Marie teaches junior high, and they come to art once a week. We teach about the principles and elements of art. We talk about famous artists, different techniques, and the kids have an absolute blast in here. We paint with toothbrushes, and we paint with paint brushes. Everything you can imagine, we get to do in here.
I teach the junior high students, and so we have fun with self-portraits. I expose them to lots of different materials. We do clay. It's just a really special time for them to relax and for us to deal with issues that they might be having, because I'm also a counselor, and so it's an opportunity for us to work with small groups as well.
And then we have an art walk at the end of the school year where every student has something displayed. Within the halls, we turn it into a big museum, and parents can come, and it's just a wonderful sight.
So this is our library. This is a great space for our school. Here typically what you would see is lots of rocking chairs, cool chairs. Our kids could come in on their breaks. They could come in during recess, sit and read. This is their library. One of the other cool things about this library is that our students get to check their own books out. Our kids in junior high have to take their AR testing in here in the library. And also all of our tables we moved because we have to put tape on the floor to do all of our social distancing. One of the cool things I like a lot about the library is our story pit. This is where the librarian takes an opportunity to tell stories, and even the kids can come in at recess and just relax and enjoy their library. This is their space. So we have a huge AR program. Miss Andrea Johnson is our librarian. Miss Lisa Miller is the library assistant. And our AR program, it's big. Our students love it. We have many students who've already read millions of words, and we're very proud of all of them. And when our kids leave from St. Leo-Seton Catholic School, they're excited about reading. So at this time, now we're gonna meet junior high math and talk to Miss Carrie and see what happens in our math classes. She teaches 6th, 7th, and 8th grade junior high math.
Hi, my name is Chloe Woods. I am a Lion. Welcome to junior high math.
In 6th grade, we have the same curriculum. We use the Go Math curriculum all throughout junior high. And they learn the same thing all year. When we get to 7th grade, we actually split them up. We have an advanced and a regular. The regular will take 7th grade math, and then 8th grade math, their 8th grade. The advanced class is gonna actually take 7th grade math the first half of the year, 8th grade math the second half of the year, and then they're able to take Algebra 1 there 8th grade year, moving into geometry if they choose to in high school. So it really helps get them a leg up for high school and get them prepared.
Our final stop today will be here at our gym. We're so proud of what we have in our athletic program. Our athletic program has come a long way, and we're excited about the direction that it's going.
They have to be creative with some of the games that they played this year because of COVID. But again, they try to do everything they can to make it fun for our students. So our athletic director, who's Chuck Abear, he teaches the boys, and Katie Broadway teaches our girls. This is junior high PE right now.
We hope you enjoyed our virtual tour this evening. We want to take this opportunity to thank you for being with us tonight. Also want to take this opportunity to thank our Lion ambassadors.
I am a lion.